Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. So today we are going to be looking at another palette from Revolution. I know there's so many right now, but we're going to be looking at something really exciting. So I'm sorry if I'm spinning, I will try not to, but I've got a new chair and it spins and I'm obsessed with it, so I'll try not to spin. But anyway, we are going to be looking at the new Simpsons collection. When I looked at this collection, I honestly had to pick up something from the collection. I didn't pick up the big palette. I actually picked up this palette, which is the Treehouse of Horror collection mini shadow palette, and this one has got Maggie on there. So this is the palette that I've picked up from Revolution, and we're going to be swatching it. We're going to be doing a look with it, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure you are subscribed if you are new, because we're doing so many videos. I'm actually literally uploading every single day at the moment, so jump on that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and follow my Instagram as well. So I have done my base makeup. I'm going to go ahead and do some concealer on my eyes. This palette that I have got retails for £10, which I feel like it's quite expensive for the size of it. Let me show you what it looks like. So when we open it, we are greeted with this. So this is what the palette looks like. Let's just take this away, and this is what the colour story is. I mean, it's pretty, it's nice, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm going to struggle. Like, I genuinely just don't know what kind of look to do here. It's definitely a nice little mini palette if that's what you are looking for. But yeah, this is the Maggie one. So we have a few shades in here. We've got quite a lot of mattes, so that's good. Well, we've got 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 mattes and we've got 4 shimmers. So yeah, we've got an equal amount on both, which is great. I know a lot of people love good mattes and good shimmers. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and swatch the mattes for you guys first of all. Okay, so here are the mattes. That white one there, that creamy colour, is actually got a little bit of a shimmer to it. But here are the mattes. So here are the shimmers. I actually feel like they swatch very nice. So yeah, I'm interested to start using this on the eyes. So I think I'm going to go in with the colour Graveyard here, which is this very nice browny nudie colour. Applying that in the crease. Whoa. I mean, these palettes are super pigmented. So actually, you know what? I'm not going to put it in the crease. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it on the outer corner. Like so. I'm just going to kind of stamp that on. I know it looks crazy, it's scary, but just work with me here. Make sure that I'm in that little fold that I have here, which is annoying. And then I'm going to take a different brush, and I'm using the Oscar Charles C107, and the big one was the C105. These are really, really good brushes. I'm going to take this colour here called Candle in the Wound, which is this orangey colour, and I'm going to use that just to like blend around this one here, just so it's a bit more. Okay, so once we've got something a bit like this, my monitor is up there, that's why I keep looking. So once we've got something a little bit like this, I'm going to go in with something different. I'm going to go in with this colour, Purple Seance it's called, with that little brush. And I'm going to pop it just in like the middle part of the crease. Just to like deepen it up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take this colour, which is like a bit of a whitey shimmery colour here, to like blend the outer edges just so they're not so harsh. I'm going to put a shimmer on. I'm not going to cut the crease because I feel like I can still see like my primer, so I feel like I'm fine. Now this colour really swatched lovely, which is this like reddy kind of colour. So I'm going to go for it. This is not usually my vibe, but I am going to go for it. I have to admit the formula in this palette is actually really good. Like, I genuinely was not expecting it to be this good. I didn't really have good hopes for this palette, I'm not gonna lie, but hey ho, it seems to be fine. It's multicolored. I have this really amazing friend online that we both love makeup, and she just makes me want to do better. Like, she makes me want to try. So if you're watching, Jade, I hope you're impressed. I'm trying to go a little bit more wilder with my makeup. Okay, and then, okay you guys, I'm back. What do you guys think? I feel like this look is so different for me, so out there, but I love it. I feel like it would look so good with some false lashes, some really good Halloweeny, spooky lashes, maybe from the collection they do lashes. So let's talk about the palette. First of all, I did think it was quite pricey. I must say, I thought it was quite pricey for £10. But the colours swatched really nice, except from that Urgel V one, the white one. And I feel like the shimmers performed really, really well. It's a really, really good palette if you want something small and something that you can just create a little look from. I feel like you could create some looks. I definitely struggled to use a lot of colours, but I feel like I did okay. I guess you could do a brown look, you could do maybe a green sort of look. I don't know, like, there's not much variety in here. But for a little small palette, I don't think this is too bad. So, I will link it down below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you want to see anything else from the Simpsons collection. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow my Instagram, because all of the updates and things are over there. And I also have a blog as well. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.